Right, yes, hi all. August 2023 and the AliExpress shoes are done. These beauties here, just pending payment, are going off to Australia. So yeah, other side of the world. So yeah, hopefully Tommy, you'll love these. But yeah, just finished these, loads and loads, tons of hours of work, but really enjoyable, and they came out incredibly well. Really clean and crisp. Definitely my best version so far, definitely. So let's have a quick look at them, shall we? So first of all, electronics. We've got the custom loom inside, tucked down the back there. Got the standard power loom here. Again, the owners can change these over, you know, for small units. But I like these ones here, like I mentioned loads and loads of times, because they're 3 volts. You can leave them on in your car or on display. Tuck that into socket if you want to wear the shoes, and these will basically power the shoes all day. So that's that. But you can fit smaller ones if you want to. So let's get out of the way. Here you've got the AliExpress shoe, which has been fully modified by me. Takes a lot of hours, a lot of work goes into doing this. This one here is special. So you've got the AirMagKing from Instagram straps on there. So these are the exact ones they use in the 3.1 and version 4. So crisp as hell. A lot of work to fit them. You have to extend them. See my other videos. So it does take a couple of hours basically to make these work, but the effort is well worth it. They look great. Hand cut swooshes by me here. I inserted into here and laid down this angle here just to cover up the seam here when I replace this the panels underneath here. I've also got AirMagKing 3.1 and version 4 bubbles, which are epic, which in my opinion are definitely the best bubbles to use, way better than the ones that come with the shoe, mixed in with the EL panels behind, which you can see. Now these panels here behind aren't as bright as the LEDs that come with the shoe, but if you had the LEDs that came with the shoe plus these, it would just be a light, just be a big bright blur of light. You wouldn't be able to sort of see any definition. Obviously if you remove this frosted piece here and fit the standard bubble, of course you better see the colours better. But there's bubbles there, really bad quality. They're covered in glue, covered in crap. So you kind of like swings and roundabouts. Really, this is the dimmer option, but it looks much crisper. Much better they look. So I love those. Yeah, so the panels themselves come from Etsy, from a guy on Etsy makes those. Underneath here, you've got the EL Wirecraft half moon panels, which I've installed there, which are absolutely amazing. He also supplies the power supplies and the loom. That's EL Wirecraft in the UK. On the back, Nike Mag lettering, 3D printed. Big thank you to Graham Garlick from the Nike Mag Repair forum. He kindly took ages and ages to sort of design these, get them looking really good, you know, and really sort of modern and crisp. And yeah, with a bit of work, you can make these fit on the back of your shoes just by heating them up, forming them to shape, gluing them on, and then obviously choosing basically a paint or a nail varnish of your choice. I've gone for a Barry M nail varnish on this particular one because it specifically matches the colours of the speckles. Obviously the owners or whoever can change the colours by just simply nail varnish a new colour on top if you want to, but that colour there does match these speckles perfectly. They look absolutely amazing. I've also done a little fix here. It's when the shoe came from China on one of these shoes. Yeah, this one here. The top lace here was all crinkled and crap. So I've actually had to cut it here and push the lace inside a centimetre and then re-glued it. So this lace is a little bit tighter than these ones. But obviously once it's been worn, it will stretch out slightly. But I had to have it looking crisp. You know, couldn't leave it with those crinkle cuts on there. And they look absolutely amazing. Really nice. Love those. Especially, well, all of it's good. You know, all the suppliers done such a good job providing these parts. And again, it takes me sort of a long time, 8 or 9 hours at least, I would say, of very careful work to make these. So they're all individual. You know, obviously I can't test them on the road, you know, for you to make sure everything's fine. But if anything ever, you know, comes apart slightly from wear and tear, you know, just simply re-glue it, that's all. Because of course, you know, I can't wear these to try them, you know, I can't sort of road test them is what I'm saying, sort of thing. And I've had to take them so far apart to fit the panels, you know. Everything has to be heated and removed and re-glued and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, they should all be good to wear. I mean, I wear my pair, you know, I absolutely love them. But just sort of pointing out that these are completely custom made, you know, modified one-off pairs, you know. So yeah, the owner will absolutely love those. But say these are off to Australia, these beauties are. But yes, everyone, thanks very much for watching. Thanks to all the guys here who supply parts. You know, EL Wirecraft, Graham Garlick, AirMagKing, etc. And yeah, thanks to everyone who watches these videos on YouTube, and everyone who comments on the forum, on Facebook, and all good. Yeah, but look at those. Absolutely, in my opinion, they look absolutely epic. Nice one. And thanks all. And I'll quickly turn off the garage lighting, and we'll see how they look just there. Let's film that down there. Won't mind that. There we go. Holy. That is nice. I'm tempted to keep these babies for myself, you know. Wow, look at those. Proper nice. Holy. Cool. Thanks all, much appreciated, and all the very best. Oh, and the shoes are from AliExpress, if I didn't mention that in the first place. That's where you buy the base shoe from the seller RayZing. That way you get, probably will get the clear sole versions through the post, because that's the ones that he seems to be sending. All the ones over the last sort of 6 months have all had the clear soles. Yeah, RayZing off AliExpress. They're about 60 quid delivered to the UK for the base shoe. Cool, thanks all, cheers.